Christmas, folks. Here at the Holman's Homestead, we are wishing everyone a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. May all your wishes and prayers come true. Just remember the reason for the season, folks. Thank you all for being part of the Holman's Homestead family. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
Today, what we're going to be doing, we're going to be making sugar cookie fudge. Now, what we're going to do, we've got a 20-ounce block of almond bark here, 1 can of sweetened condensed milk, some sugar cookie mix, some sprinkles of your choice, 2 tablespoons of butter. Now, what we're going to do before we get started, folks, I don't want nobody out there getting sick. We're going to heat treat this right here, the sugar cookie mix. We'll put it in the microwave, do it at 30-second intervals till it gets to 165 degrees. We just don't want nobody getting sick. And then what we'll do, we'll go over to the stove. We're going to put this and melt this here, combine them all together with the butter. Then we're going to put in, let me take a look, I believe it is, don't hold me to it. I've never made this before, folks. It sounded good. We are going to put in 1 1/4 cup of the sugar cookie mix. We're going to stir it all together, and then we're going to place it in a 9x9 parchment lined pan. Let's get started. Alrighty, here we go. We've got us a 1 1/4 cup in here. I'm going to stick this in the microwave. We'll do it on 30-second intervals. Let me set this over here to the side. Let's give this a try now. Alrighty, 170 degrees. Let me stir it around. They're watching the Presley girls in there. As soon as I get this done, I'll be in there with them. We missed last night, so we're going back to rewatch it. Double checking everything here. Alrighty. Now, we're going to use almond bark, folks. Stir out, I don't want it to burn. We're going to be using almond bark. And it actually, the recipe called for white chocolate chips. All I had was the almond bark. And I wasn't going to run back out to the store to get some. I believe this will work just fine and dandy. We're going to put in our 2 tablespoons of butter. I'm just stirring around that dough some, or not dough, the cookie mix. Breaking it back up. Alrighty. Let's see if I can find us another. Well, this will melt down all right. Turn this back up. I ain't gonna bore you. We'll be back in just a minute. Alrighty. I've got it turned on just a little bit above medium. This placer, I broke it in half, that one. I guess that's all we're going to do right now. There we go. Throw this stuff away. We don't want it to burn. Like I said, I don't have it turned up too high. Let this stuff start melting together. And then we'll be right back, folks. Now, folks, I'm going to have to do a voiceover here. Something happened to the microphone midway, but that's all right. Here we're pouring in now our sugar cookie mix. We've done melted up our chocolate there, white chocolate almond bark. Now we're adding into our sugar cookie mix here. Now we're just going to stir that together till it gets good and smooth. Doing good there, Doug. Keep a stirring. Don't give up on us now. Now we're just keeping stirring it here. Just watch your temperature and all. You don't want to burn it. I did scorch this just a little bit in the bottom there. Okay, we're setting it over there on another eye. Yeah, I made a little bit of a mess there on top of the stove. Now, I don't know where Doug went to. Oh, he's getting the pan ready, folks. Or I should say I'm getting the pan ready. Doug, looks like you're going to have to cut back on that fudge a little bit there, bud. Alrighty, stir it up a little bit more. Going to add in our sprinkles. It just says add generous amount of sprinkles. We'll leave the recipe in the description. Carolyn will. Alright, there's what it looks like in there. We've done add the sprinkles, I think. Alrighty. Now we're going to get ready and pour this into a parchment lined pan. Now here's going to be a little trick Carolyn showed me there. Putting parchment paper in the pan. See, if you just push it in there like that, it just wants to pop out. Grab that stuff and just roll it up in your hand. Don't be gentle with it. Just show it who's boss. See how it's all wrinkled up there now? But you can place it down in your pan, whatever you're putting it down in, and it'll hold the shape of it there now. Pretty good little neat trick she showed me. Alrighty, Doug, you've showed them enough. Go grab the fudge. Now, folks, it's getting a little bit late, and what we're going to do, tomorrow's comment, the first one I do, I'm going to pin it at the top and let you know if we enjoyed it or not, because it says to let this fudge sit overnight in your refrigerator. At least 2 hours, it said, to overnight. And I'll check it. If it happens to be before I get done editing the video here, we'll get it out and taste test it for you. But if not, in the comment there, I'll pin it telling you how good it was or how bad. Hopefully good. And let you know what we think of it. Alrighty, folks. I hope you all have a blessed day. Lord willing, be seeing you soon. Now, tomorrow's video, we're going to have a video on Saturday. It is going to be a collab. It's an open collab with Debbie's Kitchen. The first day of winter. And if you want to join, you're more than welcome to join it. Just come right on over. Carolyn will leave the name in the description. Hope y'all have a blessed day. There we're going to pour a little bit more sprinkles on top. Make it festive. Thank you for watching, folks. Y'all are great. God bless.
Folks, thank you for watching, and hope you have a blessed day. Stay safe, and we will be seeing you soon, Lord willing. Folks, thank you for watching, and hope you have a blessed day. Stay safe, and we will be seeing you soon, Lord willing.